Moisturizing Scalp Care. 2chic Repairing Shampoo Conditioner Set is powered by our repairing mix of Blackberry and Coconut Milk to help rejuvenate dry hair. This hydrating set helps drench each strand from the root to help protect hair from damage. Deep hydration. GIOVANNI 2chic Repairing Conditioner bursts with antioxidants and coconut oil that aid in hair rejuvenation and restoration while gently mending split ends for hair that looks and feels flawless. Color safe. GIOVANNI 2chic Repairing Shampoo Conditioner Set is 100% color safe and nourishes hair with a proprietary blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and omega fatty acids without stripping color. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products use a number of organic ingredients and are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products are never tested on animals and come in sophisticated recyclable packaging. Lauryl laureth sulfate-free. GIOVANNI products do not contain harsh chemicals commonly used in regular beauty products, leaving you with strong, beautiful hair. 2chic Repairing Conditioner. Gorgeously restore vibrancy and repair open cuticles that cause frizz and flyaways with our exclusive dual repairing complex, an essential blend of blackberries and coconut milk bursting with antioxidant power. Smooth each strand by indulging hair with moisture for a revitalized and beautiful shine. 2chic Repairing Conditioner is powered by botanical extracts and oils with nourishing and restorative properties that balance pH levels in weak, thin, or damaged hair. Repairs hair, renews youthful vibrancy. Delivers moisture elasticity. Gently wraps each strand to protect from damage. Eliminates frizz. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. My friend recommended this brand to me. I've used it for the last year and it is the best shampoo and conditioner out there. It makes your hair super soft and moisturized. My mom tried it and even fell in love.